Have you ever been at a party, a meeting, or even just standing in line, wanting to talk to someone, but your brain completely freezes? You want to be social, but suddenly, every conversation starter sounds weird. Your heart beats faster, you overthink, and before you know it, the moment is gone. Meanwhile, some people just walk in and start chatting like it's the easiest thing in the world. How do they do that? Here's the truth. Being social isn't about being born extroverted or having a natural gift for conversation. It's actually way easier than you think. And today, I'm going to prove it to you. Because right now, you're likely making one mistake. You're overcomplicating it. Social skills aren't about knowing exactly what to say. They're about removing the things that block you from saying anything at all. So today, we're breaking it down into 4 simple shifts that will make being social feel natural, effortless, and even fun. Let's go! Think about this. Babies have 0 social anxiety. They don't sit there thinking, what if they think I'm annoying? They just babble at people until someone responds. And guess what? It works. But as we grow up, we start overthinking. We worry about looking weird. We assume everyone is judging us. We tell ourselves stories like, I need to be interesting. I have to say something smart. What if I mess up? And guess what? That pressure paralyzes us. Instead of just saying anything, we freeze up and say nothing. But here's the fix. Social confidence isn't about talking more. It's about removing the mental barriers stopping you from talking at all. So, let's start with the first shift. The biggest myth about social skills? That you need to dive into long conversations to get better. Wrong. Instead, you should start with micro-interactions. Tiny, effortless moments of connection that train your brain to stop overthinking. Try this. When you see someone you recognize, just give a quick nod or a small wave. When passing a coworker, just say, "Morning." When buying coffee, make eye contact and say, "Thanks," with a smile. That's it. No pressure. No full conversations. Just tiny moments where you acknowledge someone's presence. Why does this work? Because it teaches your brain. Oh, talking to people is actually easy. It builds momentum, like a warm-up before a workout. And soon, longer conversations start feeling natural. So, your challenge? Start with the easiest possible social action today. Just one. A nod, a wave, a simple, "Hey." That's all it takes. All right, let's say you're standing near someone and want to talk. Your brain starts racing. Should I ask them a question? Should I make a joke? What if it sounds weird? Stop. You don't need a full sentence to start a conversation. You just need one word. Instead of overthinking, just say, "Hey." That's it. Just, "Hey." Why does this work? Because it forces the other person to respond. And suddenly, boom, you're in a conversation. Humans are wired to reciprocate. You say, "Hey," they say, "Hey," back. And now, it's easy to follow up. Try this next time. You say, "Hey." Them say, "Hey." You say, "How's your day been?" Boom. Conversation started. No pressure, no weirdness, just one word to break the ice. Want a bonus tip? Use the environment. If you don't know what to say next, just point something out. "This place is packed today, huh? That's a cool jacket. Where'd you get it?" Simple, effortless, and natural. Ever talked to someone and immediately felt comfortable? Chances are they were mirroring your body language. Mirroring is when you subtly copy someone's gestures, posture, or energy. And it makes people feel connected to you without even realizing why. For example, if they lean in slightly, lean in a little too. If they're speaking slowly and calmly, don't rush your words. If they're using hand gestures, add a few of your own. This doesn't mean copying them exactly, just subtly matching their energy. It signals, "Hey, we're on the same wavelength," and people love that. Try this next time. When talking to someone, pay attention to their posture and tone. Adjust slightly to match them, and watch how much smoother the conversation feels. Here's a weird trick. The way a conversation ends is more important than how it starts. Why? Because people remember the last thing you say. If a convo drags on until it dies awkwardly, it feels weird. But if you leave before that happens, you leave a positive impression. Try this. End on an upbeat note. Use a quick, friendly goodbye. Exit before the conversation runs out of steam. For example, "Hey, gotta run, but this was great. Let's talk again soon." "All right, I'll catch you later. Good seeing you." This makes people want to talk to you again because you're someone who leaves conversations feeling good. So let's recap. Step 1. Start with small interactions. Step 2. Break the ice with just one word. Step 3. Use mirroring for instant connection. Step 4. Leave on a high note. That's it. No crazy tactics, no forced conversations. Just small, simple changes that make socializing easy. Now, here's your challenge. Pick one of these steps and try it today. Just one. Which one will you do? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more bite-sized mindset shifts that actually work. Now go out there, say "hey" to someone, and see how easy this really is.